Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this gorgeous and very beautiful Diwali greeting card which is made using paper quilling strips. I will share from scratch how to make the base, how to make the diya, and the twist of the card is you can spin the center diya part. Isn't it very fun and interactive card? And you can gift it to anyone who you love, your friends, your family in this upcoming Diwali festival with this amazing twist. So without any delay, let's start with the procedure. Here I am taking maroon color cardstock and using 3.5 cm radius I am making one semicircle. And then on top of this I am just going to stick one yellow color paper flame. So we are going to create diya inside the semicircle. Now, before starting with filling work of quilling, I am going to cover the edge using pink color paper strip. And to create my today's card, I am using 3mm strips only. So I am sticking one horizontal line and also one curved shape to give nice design to our diya. So this is done. Then I am starting with my first quilling design. For this I am taking here 1/3 strip of dark pink color and making one tight coil. Like this. Similarly I have prepared some more already. Then some tight coils we need in light green color which are made using 1/8 strip. One white color tight coil which is made using half strip, and some small size white color tight coils which are made using 1/4 strips. So this is done. Then for the neck shape, here I am taking half strip of orange color and making one leaf shape. Similarly, I have prepared some leaves already. Then for next shape, here I am taking half strip of dark pink color and making one bended leaf shape, or you can say bended moon. Similarly, I have prepared some more shapes already. Then taking back my diya base and starting with the center point, I am sticking the white tight coil, and around this I am going to decorate with my remaining patterns. Around the pink tight coils, I am sticking one piece of green color strip just to close the row. Just wiping out the glue mark immediately using wet brush for the perfect finished look. And then I am sticking orange color leaf shapes like this. Then again wrapping it using pink color strip, and then it's time to stick pink color moon shapes. And this is done. Then inside the moon shape I am sticking some white color tight coils. Then to create flame, here I am taking one strip of orange color and making one bended leaf shape. Similarly I have prepared one more already. Then we need two bended leaf shapes which are made using half strip of golden yellow, and two bended leaf shape which are made using half strip of yellow, and one leaf shape using 1/3 strip of white color. Now combining all the shapes together and creating the flame. Wrapping this complete flame using orange color strip. And the flame is ready. Now taking back my Diya pattern, and exactly on top of the yellow paper flame I am sticking my quill flame, and in this way our Diya is ready. Now I am just fussy cutting the excess maroon paper around the edge. And our gorgeous Diya is completely ready. It's looking absolutely amazing, isn't it? Then here I am taking two paper circles. The maroon one is made using 4 cm radius, and one more designer paper circle which is made using 3.8 cm radius. So I am sticking the designer circle on top of the maroon circle. Then on the edge I am decorating using pink color ball chain, and to stick this I am using B7000 glue. Now inside this I am going to stick one more row of golden color ball chain using same glue. So just completing it quickly. And this is done. Now exactly in the center I am sticking my handmade quill diya. And the center part of our card is ready, which will be in the spinning position. Now here I am taking white color cardstock base, which is 20 by 20 centimeters. I am just folding this from center to create the horizontal slimline card. Then on top of this I am sticking one gold mirror cardstock, which is 19.5 by 9.5 centimeters. And then on top of this I am adding one more designer paper cardstock, which measures 19 by 9 centimeters. And to stick this I am using double-sided tape, because the top surface of gold mirror cardstock is sticky and it don't work with normal glue. Then exactly in the center I am putting my Diya pattern and just checking from both the sides it should be in center. And making an outline using pencil so that we know where the center part will come. Then I am going to create one border on both the sides. For this I have already prepared some basic shapes, starting with the yellow tight coils, which are made using 1/4 strips. Then for the next row I am taking here leaf shapes, which are made using 1/4 strip of light green color. Inside each leaf shape I am sticking these orange color tight coils, which are made using 1/8 strips. And between the design I am adding pink color tight coils, which are made using 1/4 strips. Then on top I am adding some scrolls, which are made using dark orange color. And then on the top I am adding 1/4 strip pink color tight coils again. So the pattern is ready. Similarly going to repeat the same pattern on right side. Now decorating the edge using same color ball chain, that is pink color and golden color, from top and from the bottom. Then here I am taking this spinner, which I got from Crafter's Corner, and I'm sticking it exactly in the center using B7000 glue. You can also use Fevikwik. And just to fill the gap from both the sides, I am sticking these old quilled flowers. It will not be visible, but just to balance the design, I am sticking these flowers. You can continue with the border if you don't want to add such kind of flowers in the center. So just create one simple plain border all around the center part, and then on top of the spinner I am adding glue and sticking my center Diya part. Allow it to dry, and it's completely dried and working fine. It's spinning nicely. Then it's time to stick the sentiment in one corner, that is Happy Diwali, which I cut using gold mirror cardstock and maroon cardstock, and this die is by Dress My Craft. After that, I am decorating the card randomly using golden color stones. And the super gorgeous Spinner Diya Diwali card is ready with the unique twist. You can write the special message inside the card with your own handwriting. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I am waiting for your comments and suggestions eagerly, and tell me in the comment if you are making this card just like me. Happy Diwali in advance. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.